Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we would be creating this particular eye look that I'm wearing right now using this particular Nicka K eyeshadow palette in the shade Oh Honey. Let me first take you a little bit through this palette. Now this palette is actually a 9-pan palette and this is how the palette looks like. The packaging is very sturdy. It doesn't have a mirror because the lid is transparent, but it is very sturdy and it is very travel friendly. All the 9 colors are in the shade of golden or yellow, you must say, and they all complement each other pretty well. This is a dupe of one of the Huda's eyeshadow palette. I do not remember the name right now, but I'll just insert a picture of the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette right here. So yes, this is one of the dupes of that palette with less than half the price. This eyeshadow palette was actually launched at 650 rupees, and because I bought it the very first day, I did not get any discount on this palette. But if you are willing to get this palette, then you can easily get it on a 50% discount, and I guess it is available for rupees 300 or 350 rupees on Nykaa. So yes, that is all about this particular palette. Now before talking more about this palette, before letting you know how I feel about this palette, let's directly jump into the tutorial. Okay, so now I'm completely done with my base makeup, and now we would just directly jump into the eyeshadow application. For my eye primer today, I would be using this Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion, and like always I would just take a little bit amount on my finger and would just apply it on both my eyelids. Now I'm done with my primer also, and I would be creating an eye look using this particular palette. For my overall eyelid color, I would just take this particular color and just apply it all over my lid. This would help me set my eyeshadow base. Now I am done setting my eyeshadow base. Now I would just take another clean fluffy brush and would dip my brush in this particular color and apply this color in my crease with a very light hand. I would be applying this in my outer corner as well. Now I am done with applying my crease and outer V color. Now I would just take a flat brush, and with this particular yellow, I would just apply this color all over my lid. Once applied, this is how the color looks like on the lids. Surprisingly, it is way too pigmented than I expected it to be, but obviously it is a very good thing. Now I would just finish off my look with this particular golden from the palette, and I would just use my finger for this color and just take a little bit of color on my finger. See how pigmented this color is, and just dab the color in the center of my lid. I actually wanted to dab the color just on the center of my lid, but now after seeing this color, I want to apply it all over my lid. So this is how the color looks like applied all over the lid. Now I would just again take the same flat brush and the same matte yellow and fill in my lower lash line. Also, I would take a blending brush and would blend everything in together. This is how the eyeshadow looks after everything is blended. I would just like to mention one thing about this glittery eyeshadow. It does have a lot of fallout. You can see right here I have a lot of golden right underneath my eyes. So I would just suggest you applying the eyeshadow before actually doing your base makeup. Otherwise it might create a little bit of problem. For my tear duct area, I would just go in with this beautiful green right here and take a little bit of it on my brush and would just apply it in my inner corners. Okay, so after completely doing everything, this is how the eye makeup is looking like. Now I would just quickly do my liner, my lashes and complete my eye makeup, and I would be right back. Okay, so welcome back. This is how the final makeup look looks like. I said that I would be applying false lashes, but then I changed a little bit, but I just wanted to add a touch of blue in this, so I just went ahead and combined two mascaras. For my base mascara, I used this Nykaa Super Lash, which gave my lashes a good volume, and on top of that I just applied this Kiko Milano's blue mascara, which actually gave the color blue to my eyes. I am actually loving the combination of blue and yellow these days, so yes, that is what I wanted to do. Also, apart from using this particular yellow, I just went ahead and added a little bit more yellow to my eyes, and for that I just applied this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner on my waterline. The shade of this eyeliner is called Screaming. I also went ahead and applied this new yellow liquid eyeliner from Sugar Cosmetics. I just have this color right here underneath my wing. So yes, that is all I have on my face. For my lipstick, I use this Maybelline Super Matte ink, and the shade I have is called Versatile, and it is in shade number 210. So yes, that is all about my makeup. Now let's just talk about what I feel about this particular eye palette. Honestly, I am surprisingly impressed by this palette. I bought this palette along with the green palette called the Lucky Charm. I have already reviewed that palette, and unfortunately I did not like the palette. It did not work for me the way I wanted it to be, or I expected it to be. But this particular eyeshadow palette looks beautiful. Specifically the color that I have all over my lids. I just have this particular center color or from this palette all over my lid, and it looks beautiful. The one thing I would like to say is that I applied this color using my fingers, which actually did not give me a very precise application. It obviously gave a good pigmentation, but because of that the glitter spread it all over my eyes, and even at the places where I didn't want it to be. So I would just suggest you that instead of using your finger, you should go with a flat brush, and if you are not getting the pigmentation you want, then you might damp it a little bit with the Fix Plus or any other fixing medium you have. So yes, that is what I would like to say. And even this particular green color which I have in my tear duct area looks absolutely beautiful. I haven't actually played with all the colors in the palette, but I guess this is all I needed for this eye look right now. I would be creating more eye looks using this palette, and would be creating shorts or maybe Instagram reels using that. So if you are interested in seeing more looks from this palette, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. I would just leave my Instagram handle right here. Do let me know what you feel about this particular look, and if you like this video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.